Vlogtober is fun. Day 28 has begun. So follow us on the non-adventures we run today. Hi! You recognized the wrong lady. That's not mommy.
A long time to come as soon as he saw me with the raincoat.
Mashi! Yeah, he doesn't like the
And
raincoat.
then come find him. It will take some time to come out.
Come on, let's go.
You know how he come by
Mr.
strip to bake
Pumpkin.
Oh, this bit is already cut.
Oh yeah, that's the off cut. Knife. Is it sharp enough? His knife was really sharp yesterday.
Yes.
Careful of your hands. Oof. Whoa. Last bit of pumpkin for Mashi. Wow. So it's now 10:41 if I read my clock correctly, because I don't have glasses or contacts right now. And we are ready for bed. Done both of our teeth. I've done his eyes, tried to do his eyes a bit, clean them a little bit, put some eye brightening powder stuff on them. Hopefully that helps. Yeah, class was cancelled this evening, trick training class, so we didn't do that. And we've just been bumming around, basically. So that's the end of today's vlog. Sorry it was very short and probably not much interesting stuff happened. Oh, but we did have pumpkin. But yeah, anyway, that's that, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night. Say good night, Mosh.